Hello, my name is Ashraf Wani. I am from Jammu and Kashmir, India. The name of our company is SESTI Private Limited. SESTI is an acronym for Social Engineering Support to India. I am working as managing director in the company. Besides, I have other two directors, co-founders in the company. Currently, we are working on sanitation theme and as a management consultancy. In sanitation theme, we are working for the capacity building of the employees of Rural Development Department in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, we intend to build on our experience and create a viable business out of the waste management, which we nowadays called waste to resource or waste to wealth. The idea is to leverage the government support that is existing for solid waste management. We want to build on that and create a business by segregating the waste, and after segregation put up a recycling plant, centralized recycling plant in the state where the waste will be segregated and then sorted and all those processes that involve in the recycling. As far as recycling is concerned, we want to focus on two things: plastic and paper. As we are aware that paper, if we see Indian waste paper market is huge. It's close to 12 billion industry, and out of that only 30% is coming from the domestic market. Rest of the quantity is being imported by India. So that indicates how huge the market is. And again, about the plastic recycling, India is recycling only about 12% of the plastic currently. So what we want to do is to do a business which, in addition to creating wealth and money, leaves a huge social and environmental impact. So we are seeing a lot of support from NGOs, government and other stakeholders who are already working on the theme. So when we see our state, when we see our union territory, the infrastructure to treat the waste is lacking. So it's not only about Kashmir, it's a scenario more or less all over the India. But we are planning to focus from 10 blocks in Kashmir and then spread our operations in next 2 years. If we see the industry, it's a huge industry, and even if we target 0.5%, that can give us a revenue of around 10 crore annually. So why we are seeking this grant? Because the grant money we want to use to create the capital infrastructure that is used, capital assets that can be used to process the waste, and plus some working capital for few months initially, maybe up to 1 year, and we are sure from second year onwards there will be profits and we will be running our operations. And since I already said that our company is 5 year old, we are already generating some revenue out of our existing activities, which is close to 50 lakh average Indian rupees. We are doing business for the last 3 years. If we see the average turnover for the last 3 years, it is close to 50 lakh. So it's not that we are going to start with this project. We have ideated this, we have created this concept so that we can build a better, big business, sustainable business, which is not only good for wealth creation but also for the environment. So that's it I want to say about myself and the proposal. Rest of the things are detailed out in the proposal. We have written that. Anything that is required at any time, we are open to discuss and prove our concept, give our proof of concept. Thank you.